everyone, welcome to Something of Everything. In this video we shall see the benefits of fields. Field command is used to create multiple text with fields. The text will be automatically updated once the field changes. Basically it is a text that refers to another field, an object or a length, coordinate, etc. Let me show you the benefit. In the screen that you see, you can see there is a longitudinal section and a section cut from that LS. So what basically we do, we write the bottom steel, top steel, extra steel, etc. So if we change the steel in the LS, we shall have to change the same in the cross section. So what if the text changes automatically? Let me show you. I am changing the through steel of top to 216 torr and regenerating the file. So as you can see in section 1A, the field has changed to 216 torr. The fields are being seen as the grey background. The bottom reinforcement steel is not the field. Let us change it to the field so that we can understand how the fields are being added to the text. Select the text, edit the text, select the text that you want to convert to the field. In the text formatting panel, you can see insert field. Select that field. At the first, you will see the window like this. You have to go to objects, and in the field names you have to select the object. You have to select the field, the text that you want. We have a multi-leader with text, so it is showing all the properties of their multi-leader and text. We have to select the content from that, and as you can see, the preview shows 212 torr through steel. You can convert it to small case, first capital, title case, etc. Let us just convert it to uppercase, or you can place it to none. In that case, as it is being seen in the LS, will be seen in section 1A. As you can see, the background has changed to grey. All the three are now fields. So let us change the text to 20 torr and regenerate the drawing. So in this case, you will not have to write it twice. You are removing the human error possible. This is the beneficial thing of field. If you want to convert back it to the text, there is no option in multi-leader. Yeah, you can explode it, you can select it and right click and convert it to text. But in that case, the multi-leader has been changed to a general text and arrow kind of thing. So it is better to remove the, or say delete the ladder and add another ladder again and match the property to the last one. So you can add the things. Do like, share and subscribe the video for more such videos. Thank you.